Hi friends, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our channel Namma, which means food from our kitchen. Today in our kitchen, we will be preparing a side dish recipe that is tomatogojju, tomatotokku, or also you can term it as tomato chutney or tomato pickle. Here are the ingredients list. You will need very few ingredients that are easily available at anybody's kitchen. 4 to 5 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 lemon-sized tamarind, 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half tablespoon urad dal, 3 dry red chilies, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon asafoetida, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. In order to begin with this recipe, let's go ahead and prepare the tamarind pulp. For this, let's go ahead and soak this tamarind in some water and keep it aside. Now let's go ahead and turn on a gas stove and keep a kadai over it. Once the kadai is heated, let's add some oil. Once the oil is heated, add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts crackling, let's add some urad dal. This is the tempering that we are preparing for our tomato gojju. Now let's go ahead and add dry red chilies. Along with it, add some curry leaves. In this recipe, as we are not using water to cook the tomatoes, we have added little bit more quantity of oil. This will ensure that the tomato gojju will not get spoiled in spite of keeping it outside for around 3 to 4 days or even refrigerated. Once this is fried for around a minute, let's go ahead and add some asafoetida. Fry this for a minute. This is a very simple and easy recipe that which can be prepared in just 10 minutes. Now let's go ahead and add the chopped tomatoes. Now immediately I'm adding some salt as per taste. This will ensure that the tomatoes gets cooked faster. Let's go ahead and mix this well. This recipe will go very well with any kind of dosa, chapatis, parathas, or even with some rice. Once the tomatoes are half cooked, let's go ahead and add some chili powder and some turmeric. Now mix this well and let the tomato cook completely. As you see, the tomatoes are cooked well and the oil has started separating. Let's go ahead and add the tamarind pulp that we had prepared. Mix this well and finally let this cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. This recipe could be prepared when you don't have enough time to cook or when you don't have any vegetables except tomatoes at your home. Now you can cook this tomato gojju as per the consistency that you require. As I'm serving this tomato gojju with some palak paratha, I have kept this in semi-dry consistency. As you see, a very simple, quick and delicious tomato gojju or tomatotokku is ready to be served. If you would like to know the palak paratha recipe that I have prepared with this tomato gojju, please let me know in the comment section. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma and hit the bell icon. If you like my video or if you try this recipe, I request you to hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, please drop them under the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.